Hey everybody, I'm John with J&L Lumber. Welcome back to our channel. I really don't have any content to share with you this week. So I had a family emergency and my mom had to go into the hospital, and she is now out of the hospital but at a rehab center, and so I have been traveling back and forth visiting with her, checking on her. So that has not allowed me to put any time in at the sawmill, but I just wanted to post a quick update and let you know that we will be going this week to pick up our log splitter. So our Wolf Ridge 28 Pro X made it into the dealership, and so we're going to be taking a trip this week to go pick that up. That is in Texarkana. And so that's about a 4.5 hour trip there, 4.5 hour trip back. So we will be videoing that and we'll take you along for that adventure. So we just wanted to check in, give you a quick update, let you know what's going on. And hopefully next week we will have our video of our Wolf Ridge 28 Pro X to share with you, show you how that's gonna work in our operation here at J&L Lumber. And again, if there's anything we can do for you, you need some lumber cut, you need some logs cut, give us a call, reach out, and we'll be happy to help. And we'll see you next week.